Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and to this video we have given a question 8 power x equals to 64 over 6. Let's provide the solution here very quickly, and you have to copy what we have. We have 8 power x over 64 equals to 6. First of all, here we have here the bar. This 8 is equals to 2 power 3, then power x, plus this 164 is equals to 8 power 2, which is equals to 6. And then here at this stage we shall write 2 power 3x over this one can be equals to 2 power 3 then squared, which is equals to 6. Then at this stage we have 2 power 3 x over 2 power 6 will be 3 times 2 over 1. At this stage we can write that 2 power 3x then here times 2 power negative 6 to be equals to 3 times 2. Right? We have 2 power 3x minus 6 is equals to 3 here times 2 by 2 and here by 2 to get what? 3, and here we have 2 power 3x minus 6 over 2 power 1, which is equals to 3. Then at this stage we have 2 power 3x minus 7. Due to this one we'll go to get 3. And then at this stage we can apply logarithm on both sides, where we have logarithm of 2 power 3x minus 7, which is equals to logarithm of 3, and then we shall write this one as 3 power x minus 3x minus 7 times logarithm of 2 equals to logarithm of 3. Then here we can divide logarithm of here 2 and divide logarithm of 2 to get 3x minus 7 equals to logarithm of 3 to the base 2, and of course 3x will be logarithm of 3 to the base 2 then plus 7. At this stage our x only will be logarithm of 3 to the base 2 over 3 then plus 7 over 3, and then final answer x is equals to 1 over 3 logarithm of 3 to the base 2 plus 7 over 3 to the base right, this one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.